Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials. Make sure your iPhone 6 has at least 50% battery or is plugged in, and that you've backed up to iCloud or iTunes so nothing is lost. Once done, check Settings General About for available space. Delete large apps or photos if needed. Now connect to a stable Wi-Fi network. Software updates won't download on cellular. Then go to Settings General Software Update to let the phone check for available updates and download the installer. Once the update is found, tap Download and Install and enter your passcode when prompted. This step authorizes system changes. While the package downloads and verifies, keep the device on Wi-Fi and connected to power. Interruptions can corrupt the install. After the download, the phone will prepare the update. This can take several minutes. When ready, follow the on-screen prompts to install now. The iPhone will reboot, display a progress bar, and finalize changes while showing an Apple logo and a status indicator. After the restart, follow the setup prompts to finish. Sign into your Apple ID if required, review settings, and confirm preferences. Make sure your apps update and verify Wi-Fi and cellular connections. If the update fails or is stuck, first restart the iPhone and try the update again. Also reboot your router and retry. If problems persist, connect to a computer and use iTunes to restore the latest compatible firmware. But only after confirming you have a current backup, so you can recover your data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.